Hi viewers, welcome to our new video and you are watching Mechatronics solution channel. And today's video we will learn about this relay. This is called starter relay or starter relay, and this relay is mostly installed on the starter or nearby to the starter. So first I let you know how it works, and after it I open it and show you the components inside. So first off, we are to learn its function, how it work. As you can 4 points, 1 2 3 4, there is a 4 terminal of the relay. These two terminals are the coil terminals. Okay, these terminals are connected to the key switch. When we key switch is turned to the start position, the positive voltage is coming on the one terminal and negative voltage to the other terminal, and our relay is our coil is energized. When coil is energized, our relay is energized, and these two terminals connected to each other. The one terminal, this point, is connected to the battery, and other one is connected to the starter solenoid. Show you, I have a sample. I show you this connection. Here you can see here's one starter is with me. Motor is, I have removed the motor. Motor is not here, but only solenoid, because I just show you the sample. This is as you can see, it is installed. This relay is here, and the wires cables coming from the battery we installed here, and here you can see then voltage come to here. When this relay is energized, the voltages from this terminal comes to this terminal, and from here you can see this come to this solenoid coil. So voltage from here goes to this solenoid. This one is my solenoid. Okay, this is a solenoid, and this coming to this point here. This is a coil, solenoid coils coming to. So we'll open one faulty relay and show you inside what is inside and how it working. So I'm going to open this one. This is not difficult to check it. Just I will open in front of you. So you can see in this way. So here you can see one, the coil terminals here, and one is this one was. So here you can see this point. So this one is a very dirty inside, so need to clean this plate. Okay, this, when this coil is energized, here you can see this spring. So this terminal is connected like this here. Okay, when relay is energized, is push this plate to inside, and in this way, okay, so in this way these two terminal connected to each other. Okay, so here you can see this is one terminal is there, one terminal is this one, and this plate is joined to these two one. Okay, when our coil is, I show you also coil of here this point. Okay, so you can see it's very dirty. Dirt is go inside. So this one is a coil. So this, when we key switch turn to the start position, so our voltages come these 2 points. Then this coil is energized. When this coil is energized, this connected here. So it's work like this. Like this. Can see? Like this. It's connected like this. So this is the internal part. This is one spring is here. Okay, and this is one plate which joint these two terminals, and this one is our coil. So this was a small introduction, small function of this relay, what is inside. I have one also coil. I also remove one relays also, just show you which type of problems occur to this relay. Here you can see this is, you can see this relay is this is very dirty. but this is new one. But what happened to it? You can see this terminal is, this one is a melted. Okay, most of time the relays, this coil have no problem, but this spring is finished. Maybe this area is worn off inside, you can see. Okay, this time of problem is occurred and our relay become faulty. So this was a small introduction about this coil, how it become faulty and what issues can occur. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.